We are at Democracy Monument now, and we are looking for the bus to go to Central Westgate Mall.
We couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days of wonder. We were always gonna last. Yeah.
We take the footbridge here and we go to Central Westgate. It was a great lunch, quick and cheap. So now we go to Central Plaza. Which ball you want?
Watermelon one.
Ah, watermelon.
Yes. Oh,
But it will be difficult.
this
to have.
man with sunglasses. I also like.
Ah, there is one basketball there. Okay, will I win the jackpot?
Oh, green ball. Hey, it's cute.
Big eyes.
Looks like you.
Same. Wherever there is an IKEA, we have to go. Not for that,
I've been warned about you.
not for that.
They said that just one look and I'd get caught too. 'Cause there's something about you. And you know it too. All I do is think about you. Your eyes, your scent, your touch is all I dream of. Now I can't live without you. I hope you feel it too. 'Cause we are meant to
But for that.
some obsessed about things. Some turn use into abuse and stop until it's too late. had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
Oh.
Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost the hope. Has a heart as pure, well, not like yours. Dreaming of you, dreaming of you, dreaming of you, If the world had known your smile, if the wind could spread your love, if your sweetness could reach everyone, there'd be no wars.